Okay, guys. So here we're going to hydro dip a mini skateboard and this Nerf gun that we did.
You might remember. No, you don't. So this is one of my old spray paint. I just spray painted it, and we left the other side free. So we're going to hydro dip the other side, and maybe the back. Okay. And guys, hey guys, it's almost Halloween, so we're kind of doing a Halloween theme.
Okay, and so
Waiting again.
we will not be doing so much stuff to this. Some of the stuff might not be recorded, and just have a good, fun time.
And Landon has a surprise that he doesn't know about. But my mom does. Okay, this one. And I got another one.
Sam. Hi.
We got 2 big shots.
And this is Hayden's dog. Sam, sit.
And this
He's
is
fine.
Hayden's Bob.
And that's his mom.
Okay. All right. Dip away.
We
people.
got two big shots. Both been spray painted, but the other side hasn't.
Okay, I want
So,
to
hold on.
do the green.
We each get hydrated 2 things.
Is this cold water?
Yes. And you do not put your hand in the liquid.
Okay.
Always wear gloves.
And you always need a parent by.
Unless you
And maybe a dog. There he goes.
sit, guys.
That looks hideous.
It's marbled.
Yeah.
Looks great.
Looks very weird to me.
Looks like it's like been dipped in acid and it's melting on Hayden's glove.
Hayden, put it in the bucket.
Can I?
No, lay it over there in the mulch.
Then the mulch is going to get all over it.
Grass. Laying it right here. My glove
It's
ruined.
Glove.
It's all
Rest
good.
in peace. I don't even know where the other one is. So,
Don't touch it.
no. Okay. So,
Here, hold this. Hold this.
hold
Just
on.
hold it. Landon! Just hold it.
No.
I can help you.
I don't want to touch the liquid stuff. Don't get it on your clothes. Are you not hydro dipping anything else?
No. Landon's turn. I'm going to go grab the thing that Landon.
Do not get spray paint on your Under Armour clothing. Your mother will be very disappointed.
Yeah, she won't.
Yes, she will.
I'm just joking. These are like from about a month ago.
Okay, clothes last a whole lot more than a month. Okay, I'm going to give you, wait. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tutorial. See that little thing on the bottom? This? Yes. Let's hold it by that. You don't want to be touching you don't want to touch anything that you're hydro dipping. It will mess it up. Okay? All right. So you're going to dip it in, completely submerge it, and then bring it back out. Completely submerge and pull it back out.
It's hideous.
It looks like zombie apocalypse.
Okay. Landon. Okay. I'm going to lift it up. Okay.
I think it looks cool. Turn
Now
around
clear
here.
that out. Clear that out.
What?
Zombie apocalypse right there.
Okay, Landon, bring it over here. Still dripping. Don't touch it. Don't. Yeah, clear the trigger out.
Alright, we're going to have to repaint our water.
So,
So we're going to have to leave you guys for now.
no.